Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to invite Discord bot to server. So I'm gonna opening a website here, top.gg, and this is a very popular website where you can get lots of free bot and servers. So right now I'm gonna selecting here Discord bots, and for example I want to add this bot to my server. So for that I'm going to clicking on invite and selecting my server here, continue, authorize, and fixing the edge capture here. And if I go to my server, as you can see the bot has been added. So that's how you can send invite a bot to Discord server. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.